So right, my traders, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing a trade that I took on Tuesday and I currently lost this trade. On recapping and reviewing this trade, I probably kind of will say it's my fault as well. I will blame this losing trade on not sticking to the rules. And once you are a trader, you have to have rules. And once you break those rules, the consequences are that you lose a trade and you lose money. That's just how the game goes of being a forex trader. So looking at USD CAD, you can see what happened here. We had this nice structure here, yeah? You see this nice support. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bounces off of it. And what happened on the 5th bounce is that we had this false breakout happen here. And you see the market closes below this support level. But what happens next after the bearish candlestick is we get this bullish engulfing candlestick pattern happen straight after this little spinning top here. So this also is a candlestick reversal pattern as well. So this is one of the real reasons why I took this trade. But the only problem is that, as you can see, it is a 60 pip stop loss. If you watch my previous technical analysis video, I did say I was not going to take it. Then I looked at it again and I was like, you know what? This looked like this trade is going to push towards the upside. And unfortunately, it didn't. With the dollar being weak, also look at the news on the dollar. You can see the reason why it's being weak. I will not get into this video because it would be another whole new video. But yeah, the dollar was also weak as well. But I was counting on the Canadian dollar to be weak as well. And unfortunately, this trade went against me and I got hit around 50 pips. So pretty much unlucky on that one. And this is what happens, people. I'm documenting everything. Every winning and losing trade, I'm documenting it. But the good thing about trading is there's always another opportunity to get into the market. And this is what I'm going to explain to you, where I got into GBP USD. But this trade did not work out. As you can see, I went around 20. I got into around 30 pips profit. Made my stop loss to break even. And then the market decides to go against me and I got hit out with GBP USD break even. So I did not win that trade. But the trade that I did win and I gained 50 pips on was GBP AUD. And yet again, I'm going to show you on Twitter. You can see right here, this is my setup on GBP AUD. And now this is how the trade played out. Pretty much simple. So people, that is the trade that I took and I made back some pips. Probably in minus of 10 pips this week, which is not bad for a losing week of trading. But like I said, I'm not going to put any more trades on. We'll just go again next week. So just a quick recap. You see USD CAD here. This was the setup. This is exactly what it looked like. And that's what I saw. And you can see it looks very... As you can see, it looks like a very good trade to get into. But unfortunately, the outcome was this. I didn't hit my stop loss and I got taken out. And I lost around 60 pips on USD CAD. But the trade that made back up for some of those pips was GBP AUD. So people, you got to remember, once you lose a trade, you have to put it past you, yeah? Do not get into that mindset of being upset about it. Just think of trading as a business. You got to remember, businesses also has losses as well. So just look at it as one of those that we had a loss, minus 10 pips, and that was it. And we move on for next week. Like I said, every week I've been trading 50 pips profit, having a good winning streak, and it's finally came to an end. And also, I did put on USD JPY. As you can see, this trade happened last night. I did not take this trade. I just put the setup on it. But you can see, look, went into around, how many pips is that? Around, see? That's around 40 pips profit. And it just missed out of that take profit area right here. But as you can see, this looked like it's going to be another winning trade on USD JPY. Whole reason why I got into this trade is because here, look, we had this nice rejection of this resistant level, but you know, it happens at 10 o'clock at night and I do not like to trade in the night time during the London session. So people, that brings it to the end of this video. Don't forget to join me every Tuesday between 11 and 1 p.m. You have to look up for that YouTube upload of my technical analysis in the forex market. So people, have a good trading week, enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you back on Tuesday.